Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are some of the cereals that my wife purchased online. So if you have loved ones that has a heart problem, this will be probably the best cereal. So yeah, unfortunately that they don't sell this at the regular retail stores. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then unbox it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so let's go ahead and do that. By the way, this is General Mills. This one is the country corn flakes. And then there is the date, December 13th, 2023. So this one has 96 of the 11/16 ounce 19 gram containers. Net weight is 4.12 pounds, 66 ounce. So here are the nutrition facts right here. No artificial colors, no artificial flavors. So you can just lift this up and pour some milk in there or silk. And it's ready to eat. Well, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.